Morning students, hope you all are staying safe at home. Today we will be starting a new chapter, chapter 9, environmental pollution. As you all know that we use many of the resources from the environment for our personal needs, and because of this we release many of the waste into the environment which harms the environment. Let us read about them. The harm which is caused to air, water and soil through all the smoke which is being produced, chemicals which are being released in the environment, and other harmful substances is called pollution. There are four main types of pollution. They are air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and land or soil pollution. Let us read about them in detail. The first is air pollution. Smoke from cars and buses. It makes the air dirty, which is known as air pollution. Clean air, it is necessary for the healthy life of all living things. Air, it is said to be polluted when it contains certain substances in high amount, or we can say in high content. So, the causes of air pollution are volcanic eruptions, forest fires, sandstorms, and pollen from plants and flowers. It can also be polluted due to human factors also. Majorly, the factories and the vehicles, these are major sources of air pollution, which emit smoke which contains harmful substances which mixes with the air and makes the air polluted. Most of the air pollution is caused from the burning of fuels like coal and petroleum. Air pollution is also caused when fuels such as wood, coal, kerosene, it is used in home for cooking food. It is also caused when trees they are being cut in large numbers, and which lead to many problems like global warming, soil erosion, everything. And because of air pollution, it leads to many of the health problems also, and it causes harm to plants and animals. Because of this presence of pollutants in the air, plants they are not able to make their own food. Over time they become weak and they die. Similarly, humans also, they are not able to breathe properly, and because of it many of the breathing problems, many of the eye infections are being caused to people. Now let us move on to water pollution. Water pollution occurs when we throw garbage in the water bodies such as rivers, ponds, which makes them dirty. So the waste from agriculture and industries, they are also dumped in the sea, which harms the creatures which live in water bodies. Factories causes water pollution by dumping oils, chemicals and disposing wastes into them. Water pollution, it is also caused by bathing and washing clothes in the river, which releases harmful chemicals into the river, by which it harms the animal life or the life in water bodies. Plus it also makes the water dirty, which is unfit for the further use. So pollution of rivers, it makes water unfit to drink, and because of that contaminated drinking water, or we can say dirty drinking water, leads to diseases like cholera, typhoid and dysentery. So river pollution, it also kills fish, plants and animals which are living in water. Now let us move on to land pollution. Throwing garbage on the land, it makes the land dirty, which is known as land pollution. Waste from the factories, farms, hospitals, they are being thrown onto the land which pollutes the land. The rainwater, it washes these wastes and carries them deep into the soil. This makes the soil infertile, and the underground water is also it also becomes contaminated, by which trees die, crops fail, and the health of farmers and animals get affected. Now let us move on to noise pollution. Horns of vehicles and loud noise cause noise pollution. Noise pollution, it it affects not only to human beings but also to the birds and animals. It can cause by loud and harsh horns of vehicles. Machines can also cause noise pollution, and because of burning of crackers, use of loudspeakers during the weddings and other festivals, it can also lead to noise pollution. So students, I hope that you have understood about pollution and all the types of pollutions. You have understood and you can figure out now that how on your behalf, on your individual basis, you can contribute towards the stop of these pollutions. You should not burn anything openly in the environment. You should not throw anything in the water bodies. You should not use that much loudspeakers which harm others and you too. So students, keep all these things in mind. Thank you and have a nice day.